Welcome to our video about creating a beautiful and functional narrow side yard garden. If you are lucky enough to have a side yard, even a narrow one, you have the opportunity to transform it into a beautiful outdoor space that adds value to your home and enhances your quality of life. The key of the successful narrow side yard garden is choosing the right plants and creating a layout that maximizes the available space. With careful planning and design, you can create a garden that feels like an oasis. One of the best ways to make the most of your narrow side yard is to create a series of garden beds that run along the length of the space. This will help to define the space and give it structure. You can create raised beds or plant directly into the ground, depending on your preference and the conditions in your yard. When choosing plants for your narrow side yard garden, it's important to select species that will thrive in the space. Some good options include perennials, ornamental grasses, and shrubs. You can also incorporate flowering plants and help to add color and texture to the space. To create a choosy and functional garden, consider adding a garden path that runs along the length of the yard. This will make it easy to move through the space and will help to define the garden beds. Finally, don't forget to create a sitting area where you can relax and enjoy your beautiful new garden. Even a small bench or chair can be enough to create a cozy spot where you can unwind and take in the beauty of your outdoor space. Before you begin your garden project, it's important to have the right tools. A few essential items include a shovel, trowel, gloves, and a watering can or hose. You may also want to invest in a kneading pad or bench or comfort while working in the garden. Another important aspect of a successful narrow side yard garden is proper irrigation. Depending on the size of your garden, you may want to install a drip irrigation system or use a soaker hose to ensure that your plants receive enough water. Before you begin planting, it's a good idea to create a garden design plan. This will help you to visualize the layout of your garden and ensure that you have enough size for all of your desired plants. To enhance the beauty and functionality of your narrow side yard garden, consider adding some lighting. String lights or lanterns can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while spotlights can highlight specific plants or features. We hope found these steps helpful for creating a beautiful and functional narrow side yard garden. Remember, with a little planning and creativity, you can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful oasis that you will love spending time in. Thanks for watching.